Hi guys, it's me again, Ashanti. So this time I'm gonna teach you something special. This time we're gonna connect your mobile phone to your other Android device or any devices. It can be your iOS device, your computer, or your smart TV. So you can share your screen to any and multiple devices. So let's get started. Let me show you how.
Sorry, it's DJ.
So by this method, we're gonna be needed an app called Screen Stream over HTTP. So that will be the name of the apps that you have to search on Play Store. So after you download it, you can now open it and click the play button to start streaming. And then click start for confirmation. These apps works and share with any desktop or any mobile browser. So it doesn't really matter what kind of device you're using. Either it's an iPhone or also an Android or a computer or even your smart TV as long there's a web browser. I don't know, but I think in each host device or in each device that you want to use as a host, you will be given different web address. So I don't think you're gonna get the same web address as I have. With this kind of method, I don't think you don't have to be in the same Wi-Fi with your host device as you're using a web browser here. So anyway, after you type the web address, you're ready to go. You're automatically connected to your device. As you see, after I click enter, it goes automatically and shown automatically my host device to my sharing device. And look at that, I'm using Android phone as a host and iOS device, an iPad, as sharing an extension one. So just imagine how cool is that. So again, you don't need to be in the same Wi-Fi network with your host and your sharing device. The important thing is both have an internet connection. This is how I shoot. This is how I use my tablet as a monitor for my camera. So I can see what's going on, if I'm on the center or not. So I anyway have to do it like this because that rotate by itself. So I better do it like this. So you have to lock the rotation so that won't rotate as much. So when you rotate it, you can get it the... But anyway, the important thing is I know I'm on the center and I can say it I'm on the center. So that's how I use the apps, and that's how you can also share your screen to the other devices. So for the sharing devices, that's just pictures and videos. That's just really all screens. So the audio and music will always coming from your host device. So that's for now. See you again next time. And don't forget to click like and subscribe. Bye!